Did you know that Google's review can be the difference between a thriving local business and one that gets ignored? When people search for your business, the first thing they see is your Google rating. And let's be real, how often do you choose a business with a bunch of bad reviews or no reviews at all? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to optimize your Google My Business profile, get more high-quality reviews, and use them to grow your business. Google reviews are basically modern word of mouth. They tell potential customers what to expect from your business before they even step out through the door. More reviews also help your search visibility, meaning when people search for services in your area, your business shows up higher on Google. A business with consistent high-quality reviews will always outrun competitors with just a handful of them. Let's talk about why reviews matter so much. 1. SEO boost. More reviews mean better rankings in local searches. Google rewards businesses that have more recent relevant and frequent reviews. 2. Trust magnet. 76% of customers regularly read online reviews for local businesses before making a decision, and positive reviews make people 5 times more likely to choose your business over a competitor with low ratings. So how do you make sure your Google reviews actually work for you? Here is a solid strategy. 1. Encourage reviews. Make it easy for customers to leave a review. Don't just hope for it, ask for it. 2. Respond effectively, replying to every review, positive or negative. This will not only build trust with customers, but also helps your Google ranking. 3. Avoid fake reviews. Never buy a fake review. Google can detect this, and it could result in your reviews being removed, or worse, your profile being penalized. Now, let's break down how to get more real reviews. 1. Ask directly. A simple ask goes a long way. Train your team to request a review after a good interaction. 2. Send email reminders. A follow-up email with a direct review link works wonders. 3. Incentivize. You can encourage reviews with a small reward, like a discount or a next visit, as long as it's not a paid review. Responding to reviews is just as important as getting them. Here's how to do it. 1. Be prompt. Aim to respond within 24 hours to 48 hours. Google actually factors responsiveness into rankings. 2. Personalize it. Use the reviewers' names, if possible, and acknowledge their experience. 3. Stay professional. Even if the review is unfair, don't get defensive. Instead, thank them for their feedback and offer to resolve the issue. Your Google Business My Profile is your digital storefront. If it's not fully optimized, you're losing potential customers. People are searching for business like yours right now. But if your profile is incomplete, they will choose a competitor instead. To rank higher and stand out, make sure your Google Business Profile is fully optimized. Correct business info, your name, address, phone number should be accurate and match across all platforms. High quality images. Upload real photos of your business, team, and products. No stock images. People trust what they can see. Keyword-rich business description. Include relevant terms people search. For example, best coffee shop in your city or top-rated dentist in your area. Up-to-date hours, especially during holidays. Nothing frustrates customers more than showing up to a closed sign when Google says you are open. Here's a pro tip. Google rewards businesses that constantly update their profiles, so regularly add new posts, promotions, and events. This keeps your business active and improves visibility. Google My Business gives you valuable insights. Here's how to use them. Customer actions, track calls, website clicks, and direct requests to see what's working. Search queries. Find out what keywords people are using to find you and optimize your listing accordingly. Replying to every review takes time, but you can automate it without losing personal touch. Save time with AI. Use AI-powered tools to generate thoughtful responses quickly. Add personal touch. Customize automated response with the reviewer's name or specific details. Make it feel more authentic. Your best reviews shouldn't just sit on Google. They should be everywhere. Use a review widget. Embed a live feed of reviews on your website to build credibility. Share on social media. Turn positive reviews into posts, testimonials, and ads to attract even more customers. Now that you know how to get and optimize Google reviews, imagine automating this entire process so you never have to worry about it. I put together a free video that walks you exactly how to do this with our reputation management system. click the link in the description of this video to watch it, or DM me the word review and I will send you the link. Now that you know how to get more Google reviews coming in, the next step is managing them properly to keep your reputation strong. Watch this next video where I'll break down the top tactics for effective Google review management.